Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide Undead or Alive mini is Martin from the Dead West set. He was black and white Zenith primed, and I get started with German camo black brown for his jeans, hair and leather parts. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I get all of his exposed skin done with Sunny skin tone. Now for his shirt, I get started with a base coat of rock grey. To get his waistcoat started, I went for a once over with Death Reaper. He is holding a few sticks of dynamite, so I grabbed Sanguine Scarlet and gave them a once over as the base coat. As with all of my current Zombicide minis, the base gets a once over with Plague Brown. To start highlighting the leather parts and his hair, I went for Dark Stone. This isn't much brighter than the base coat, but it's enough to get some variation on these smaller parts. Now to highlight his jeans, I used Wasteland Brown. This goes over pretty much everything, just leaving that darker tone in the shadows and the recesses. Adding a quick highlight on the dynamite, I grabbed Hellspawn Red. Highlighting the shirt, I used Offwhite, just go over all of the raised parts and to dot in his eyes. The final highlight on the mini is lead grey on the waistcoat, and just finishing off his eyes. All of the metal parts get done with plate armour. To wash everything except the shirt, I used Archaic Sepia wash. You can wash the shirt with this, but I didn't want to stain it too much. I want to keep it looking crispy white. Finishing up, I added some sandy desert texture to the base. And that will be it for Martin. He was quick and easy to get done, and a nice bright white shirt that doesn't look too chalky like a good bright normally does. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.